Every great kitchen has a story, told in the effortless glide of a drawer, the confident close, the precision in every detail. The Häfele Service Plus custom wooden drawers give you that perfection without the time, tools, or space it usually takes, freeing you to focus on your customer's vision. Log into your My Häfele account, choose your dimensions, timber, handle cutouts, even personalized engraving. Select a lacquered finish for a satin sheen, or leave the grain bare for natural beauty. You can quote and order 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Your price updates instantly as you go, giving you complete clarity from the start. We craft each drawer here in the UK from solid oak, rich walnut, or contemporary ply. And dovetail joints, so smooth, they vanish beneath your fingertips, delivered to site, ready to fit, exactly as specified. It's craftsmanship that enhances your designs and service that makes it effortless. Because when your customer opens their new drawer for the first time, they won't just see the difference, they'll feel it. The Häfele Service Plus, custom wooden drawers, bespoke quality your customers will cherish.